YouTubers? Remember that piece of crap that I bought maybe about 3 weeks ago, a month ago, for cutting rags?
I did.
How long did it last?
Oh, not long at all.
Maybe 2 rags?
That's it.
And it bent and cracked and snapped. And I'm not going to repeat exactly what I said, but let's just say I wasn't pleased. So anyway, I said, you know what? One of those days, I'm going to take a few hours, and I'm going to design one, and I'm going to build it where it's going to last a lifetime. There it is. There it is. And we call it the Rag Ripper. Now, why does a person need a rag ripper? Because we buy rags in a bag. And when you get them, they're like that. They're too big. It's a waste. You know, sometimes you're greasing a tractor and you got to go over and you just got to, you know, just wipe off a grease nipple. I mean, you know, if you're going to put that on a grease nipple, it's done. You might as well throw it in the garbage. Because the next time you grab that rag, you're putting your fingers right into the grease that you just wiped off. It's just the way it is. So anyway, this is the first time this is going to be used. So this might not work. We shall see. Look at that, will you? High performance rag ripper. Look.
Wow.
Man, that's wild, eh? Look, fast as you can go. And there you go. Now, how this is designed, well, there's actually blades up there. Just a second there now, and I'll get you a blade where I can show you exactly how this is going to work. These blades are stuck together because when they were shipped, there's oil on them to keep them from rusting. So that's the type of blade it takes, okay? And, oh, got dust on them. So how it's done, I got it offset enough so that you can get 2 uses out of the blade. So when you want to change the blade, pop this out, push the blade out, and then tipping over and putting back in, and then you got another sharp edge again. So it's pretty cool, isn't it? And look, I mean, you could literally anchor your tractor to this. I mean, it's that good, right? So while I was making it, I made a few more. So they're going to be on our website maybe today, definitely sometime tomorrow. So if anybody's interested in one, very limited, because believe it or not, they take time to make. This double layered here, and then you got to make the cover, and then you have to drill it and tap it, and oh my, yeah. But anyway, there it is in the Campino Tizzer. Hey, your turn.
Oh my gosh.
That's wicked, isn't it?
Let me do another one. Ooh, this is fun.
Yeah, you know we're. Yeah, you got a sewing machine, no? You can sew them back.
That is wicked.
It really is cool, though. Try a couple more. You might as well do them while you're right.
Yeah.
You're on what we call a roll.
I'm on a
Oh, now there you
roll.
go. Red one.
Oh, wow. That's amazing.
Yeah. And it's going to last, right?
And it's going to last. Yeah, not like that other
Oh, that other one, I'm going to tell you, that other one,
That just buckled. As
yeah,
you can see, we've been practicing.
yeah, I'm telling you, that other one the other day,
Yeah.
if you had to put holy water on my head, it would have come to a boil.
Man, that's wild.
As fast as you can go. You like?
I like.
Cool. Hope you like it. Something different, isn't it?
It is different, isn't it?
Yeah. So we'll see you later, folks. Thanks for watching.